Hello everybody, my name is Nick. Welcome to Angelonick video tutorial. Today I will present you what I did actually for you, what I prepared for you. First I prepared an Angelonick website. I have a website right now and you can access it if you want. Also, we have an Angelonick portal as an academy. Why? Because I want to provide online training for you if it's necessary, and if you want, I can provide you that. So we have an entire portal. You as a student, eventually student, and me as your trainer. And also we have a channel, Angelonick YouTube channel. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about each. I want to present you each. I'm proud to present you the website. Website is made for you. It's a presentation of me, of myself. This is me, okay? And this is what I know, and this is what I did, and this is what I can do for you, the program languages, web technologies, cloud, and so on. IT management or training, and these are my certifications, and of course we can go a little bit to see about what I can show you in IT&C or in software development or in management and so on, or I can show you my background, what I have. This is me. You can see my video CV if you want there, or on my YouTube channel. And here are some of my projects, what projects I had in the past in these 20 years since I am in IT field. Okay, also I did IT research and I'm proud with that. So I did IT research and it has been presented in this international conference. So basically this is me. Also we have here platform. If you want to be, let's say a student, let's say a trainee is better than student, okay? If you want to learn more and you want to be with me online and to learn about programming or about IT&C in general or something special, we can do that, okay? So we have a platform for this. I will log in my platform and I will show you the rest, okay? And of course we are now inside of the portal. We have dashboard, site home, and so on. Basically here you will see what you have to learn. In site home you can go, and also you can see what courses are available. In this case it's available C# for entry levels, for example, okay? Categories of courses like general IT&C, hardware, operating system, network basics, office, in software development for people who want to be software developers, learning C#, learning VB.NET or ASP.NET or mobile with Xamarin, or for people who want networking, we can see here a lot of networking in general, basics in networking, and so on. So basically we have also a portal for this. Here you will have everything is necessary for you. Course preview, the course will have documentation, we'll have presentations, we have video tutorials, and also in this kind of courses, in this kind of lessons with me, you can have also part of live training with me using online communication, online live communication. And of course I will show you in real time live. I will do for you live coding. Basically, if it's for software development, I will show you how to develop software, how to learn very fast and practically to learn directly on the subject, planning and applied, So in this case, for this I have this portal for you, and also we can you can see basically also my YouTube channel. This is YouTube channel, and here you will find free video tutorials for people who don't want to have more in Portal and stuff like that with me. People who want to have only free video tutorials, to see just free video tutorials, you can have it here on my channel, on my YouTube channel. I think it was beautiful to see all this. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you want, I'm here. I'm here for you. Till next time, see you. Bye bye.